Hello, we already arrived at Argentina. This is our client, this is factory. About these whole machines is our project. And in front of you is our engineer teams, our engineers. You can see this is drawing machine. And here is the control boxes. And all machine here. We will get a plan and then to try our best to finish in 1 or 2 months to finish the all. And this is just one house, and move to here. Have another house. It's needed a long time to finish our project. As we see here. The first day we're just cleaning the first house for the drawing machine install, and also to move the all machine to outside of this house. Tomorrow we will be starting to arrangement.